Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can create an intro in a Quik video editor. So let's start. First let's create a new video and let's choose this one here. Okay. When we have it, the first what you want to do is just click on button edit here, and now let's click add text. When you add text, let's click title and write here my logo of my company name, company name. Press OK, and and now you have it. What you want to do now is to extend duration. Okay, when you have it, you can go back and now go here. You can also change the music of it. Really up to you, or just press no sound without it. And then what you want to do is click here and click font. And you can change the font of it, as you can see. But yeah, this is how you create the intro for it. Okay. And that's kind of it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you. Have a great day and goodbye.